everyone, it's Robin. Tonight, to go along with our dinner, I made sweet sesame skillet cornbread. It's delicious. I'll show you how to make it. Preheat the oven and place a buttered cast iron skillet in the cold oven too. That happens to be a 10-inch skillet. This recipe comes from Cynthia McTurnan's cookbook called A Common Table. It's terrific. In a large bowl, add all-purpose flour, yellow cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and toasted sesame seeds. In a separate bowl, add whole milk, full-fat Greek yogurt, and 2 large eggs. You might want to get those started, but you don't have to. And then add some honey. I transferred to a medium bowl because that bowl was too small. Added my honey, and then I made sure I added the unsalted butter. It was cooled off to room temperature by now. I gave that a good mix. And then you add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mixed till just combined. You do not want to overmix, so the batter should be lumpy. And by now the oven is preheated, so take out that cast iron skillet and then add the batter to the skillet. You want to bake that for 25 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, you can make a glaze with a tablespoon of sesame oil and honey. And when it comes out, it looks like this. Add the glaze. It's delicious. Sprinkle on a little extra toasted sesame seeds for a little crunch. And there you go. An Asian twist on classic Southern cornbread. I hope I don't offend too many Southerners by presenting this dish today. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you next time. The recipe's on robinandwillow.com. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. This is James T. We got him on New Year's Day. He's getting so big. Have a great day, everyone.